7th class Maths Chapter 2 Fractions, Decimals and Rational Numbers Exercise 3. Up to third question we have finished in the previous video. Here question number 4. Given Rehana works 2.5 hours each day on her embroidery work. So she completes the work in 7 days. How many hours did she take to complete the work? So in each day she will do the 2.5 hours work. And how many days she will work like that? 7 days. Here number of hours Rehana worked in each day is given 2.5 hours. 2.5 hours. Okay. So number of days Rehana worked on embroidery. Number of days is 7 days. Total time worked. How much time she was worked? Means here it is 7 days, each day 2.5 hours. 2 1 by 2. This is equal to 7 into 2 2s are 2 into 2 plus 1 by 2. This is equal to 7 into 2 2s are 4. 4 plus 1 5 by 2. 7 5s are 35 by 2. This one you write in the mixed fraction. 2 in the denominator. 2 17s are 17 2s are 34 plus 1 34 plus 1 35. 17 and half hours she will be worked. Now question number 5. A truck runs 8 kilometers using 1 liter of petrol. So for 1 liter petrol the truck will be traveled 8 kilometers. How much distance will it cover using 10 2 by 3 liters of petrol? So for 1 liter it will be travel 8 kilometers. For this much of capacity of petrol, how much distance will be traveled? Here answer is distance covered with 1 liter petrol is 8 kilometers. This is given. So distance covered with 10 2 by 3 liters of petrol is equal to, for 1 liter 8 kilometers into this much of liters, 10 2 by 3. This is equal to 8 into 3 into 10 plus 2 by 3. This is equal to 8 into 10 3 is 30, 30 plus 2, 32 by 3. This is equal to 8 into 32. 8 2 is 16, 1, 8 3 is 24 plus 1, 25. 256 by 3. This one you write in the mixed fraction. How we should write means, so you take the ordinary fraction, ordinary division, 3 table, 3 8s are 24, here it is 1, 6, 3 5s are 15, remainder is 1. So 3 into 85 plus 1, this is 385, 1, 3 into 85 plus 1, that is 256. This much of kilometers it will be traveled. This is the rough. Now question number 6. Raja walks 1.5 meters in 1 second. So 1 second he was walked 1.5 meters. How much distance will he walk in 15 minutes? Here seconds given, here minutes given. Minutes you convert into seconds. So we know that 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. Okay, remember this. 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. Distance covered by the Raja in 1 second is given 1.5 meters. Distance covered by Raja in 15 minutes, that is 15 minutes. Minutes convert into seconds, that is 15 into 60 into, in 1 second how much distance travel? 1 1.5, 1 by 2. This is equal to 15 into 60 into 2 ones are plus 1 by 2. 15 6 are 90, that is 900 into 2 1s are 2, 2 plus 1, 3 by 2. This is equal to 3 9s are 2700 by 2. This is equal to 2700 by 2, cancel it, 2 1s are 2 3s are 2 5s are 0. So 1350 meters he will be walked. 1350 meters is the answer. Now question number 7. Provide the number in the box to make the statement true. So given 2 by 3 into, so in this box we make it the number, then you get it the 20 by 21. Here this is the division. So 2 multiplied with any number, that gives the 20. 2 into 10. 2 tens are 20. Okay. So 3 multiplied with which number, you get it this. 3 table you read out. 3 sevens are 21. So 3 into 7 is equal to 21. Similarly, second one, 5 by 7 into divided by 5 is equal to 3 by question mark. Here you observe that 5 is same number. So this one get cancelled, means here it is 1, here it is also 1. 1 into 3 is equal to 3. So you write it 3 here. Okay, 7 1s are 7. 7 you write here. This is the answer.